That's it, Blake. Navigation plot completed. We're locked into stationary orbit within teleport range of planet Albion.
Get your gear.
I don't know. Just don't know. Some of the circuitry is fairly basic, that I understand. The rest?
Oh, come on, Vetna. There must be something you can do. This is life and death. It must be stopped.
There is one thing. Might just work. I can't be sure. If I'm wrong...
We won't be here to worry, will we?
Could it detonate?
I don't know. There's always that risk.
Everything we've done so far has been risk. We're getting very close to nothing to lose. We've got to chance it.
What is it you want to do?
There's a main rotanoid link. If I cut through its primary impulse vein, it might break the circuit. Then again...
It might not. We'll chance it. We've stopped it!
It hiccuped, that's all.
Sorry. I don't know what else to try.
That's all right, Vetna. You did what you could. We'll think of something else.
We've just taken another step towards oblivion.
What do you want, Riley?
We've got some prisoners. You said you wanted to question.
Yes, I do. Is Space Major Provine amongst them?
Well, if he is, he hasn't been identified yet. I've got men checking the prisoners' identity papers.
What about the dead? Are you checking them too?
Yes, of course.
Well, I hope for all our sakes he has survived. And if he has, we have to find him. He's the only one who knows the complete system.
How will we know him if we find him?
By his identity papers and his uniform, as far as I know. None of our people have seen him.
Come on, let's get the questioning started.
Riley, you go through those files. Find the plans for that thing.
All right, Vetnor.
I'm sorry I couldn't do the job. It needs tools I haven't got.
Well, you better go and help look for prisoners.
Right.
Correlate the locator fix to this.
How about this?
But that puts it right in the middle of the Federation defense complex.
Well, we can put you 1/2 coordinate point to the fix. That'll put you down in the outer limits of the complex.
That'll do. Let's go.